at Foxtail Farm, and they've got this really neat floor. It's like magnesium and fiber and sand. And it was too hot in here in the summertime. So when it gets too hot when they're riding, it's not much fun. Also in the wintertime, they've got these kerosene burners, but the heat just goes up to the ceiling. It's so disgusting. The heat goes right up to the ceiling. So we put these big fans in for them so that you can push the heat down, just run them slow like they are right now. You just run them slow, and because of the floor, we want the floor to stay damp, so you don't want dust when you're riding. So we got the fans are blowing around the outside, so the very low airspeed across the floor, and this will keep the floor from drying out. So if you want to know more about how to do this, or just contact us and we'll put you in touch, because it's a really neat concept of how you keep the floor just the perfect riding consistency, and they've done a really good job with it. It's an amazing place, and we recommend you check out how they are doing it, because you just pick it up, it stays consistent, doesn't dust, and yet will still be a nice riding surface.